Alright guys, quick video here to show you how to calibrate your monitor on a 2630. You hit your bottom right menu button there, go to original green star monitor, and then you'll hit setup. I mean, I'm already on the page now, but go ahead and hit setup. Harvest monitor, yield calibration, and then it'll say start there, okay? So you hit B and you hit start, and then it's gonna say yield calibration is running, harvest weight 0, and then as you combine, it's gonna obviously, it'll keep track of your weight on the combine. Once you've got a full combine hopper, give it a dump stationary like we are now, and you hit stop, and then your scale, your grain cart will give you your actual weight. You'll hit this button here, you'll type the weight in, and let me go ahead and do that and we'll go from there. $16580. Okay, so that's the actual weight. You hit D again, it's going to ask you for a standard or fine calibration. We'll hit standard for the first time, and then if we want to do subsequent calibrations after this, then we'll hit fine for every time after this. So standard does like your general calibration, and then after that, to fine tune it, you hit your fine. So we're going to hit standard, and now we're calibrated. There you go. Alright, now we just took another load. My first calibration was 3,000 pounds off. I had 13,000 off the combine. The scale said it was 16,000. And so I went ahead and did the standard calibration with that. And now we're going to do a fine tune calibration. So 16,313 is my weight now. We're going to go ahead and dump this and we'll see what it comes out as on the scale. Done dumping. Now it's going to tell me my weight.
16,340 pounds.
And there we go. So we should be good. So I hit stop. Scale weight. 16. Oh, clear. Okay, cool. 16,340. So we're pretty dang close. So I hit D, and now I hit fine calibration because we already did the standard last time. So we'll do fine calibration, and now we're good to go.